Hey y'all, I'm gonna try to do a poem, but my videos haven't been posting well, so it's kind of annoying. Okay, I'm gonna do one because I'm supposed to write my poetry book about nature. Okay, so let me just say it while I'm showing pictures of nature. Me out in nature, what a glorious sight! I see all the beauty that God brings before the light. It's just nature. You don't have to feel scared. Nature is God's creation, just like you and me. He created us. So get prepared to see more beautiful things as life blooms open wide. You'll be in heavenly realms if you let Jesus inside. He wants to comfort you and keep you blessed and give you prosperity and life that's fully what is that word? Enmeshed. He wants to give you life fully enmeshed. No, he wants to bless us every day. Every day we wake up, his mercies are new every day because he created all this, the beauty, the skies, the oceans, even the dark skies when they become gray. Don't ever give up. Don't lose your light. Don't let evil spirits encumber you to feel like you can't fight. Jesus is the key to everything. Just wait and see. You have to hit rock bottom before you can see eternity.